Welcome to our industrial recycling solution. Today we are presenting our powerful double shaft shredder, designed to handle a wide range of solid waste materials with high efficiency and stability. At the beginning, you can see various types of waste materials, including carton boxes, used tires, aluminum scraps, wooden boards, plastics, and more. These materials come from different industries and require reliable size reduction before further processing. The materials are transported smoothly by conveyor belt into the shredding system. The feeding process is stable and continuous, ensuring consistent performance without interruption. Once inside the double shaft shredder, the materials are gripped and torn by high-torque rotating blades. The dual shaft design provides strong cutting force and efficient shearing action. Even bulky or tough materials can be processed steadily without jamming or blockage. The machine operates smoothly, delivering powerful and reliable shredding performance. After shredding, the processed material moves forward to the magnetic separation system. The magnetic separator automatically extracts ferrous metals from the shredded mixture. Iron-containing components are separated efficiently, while the remaining non-ferrous materials continue to discharge smoothly. This process increases material purity and improves overall recycling value. The final output material is uniform in size and ready for further recycling or downstream treatment, helping businesses improve efficiency and maximize resource recovery. This double shaft shredder is widely used across various industries, including scrap metal recycling, plastic recycling, wood waste processing, municipal solid waste treatment, used clothing recycling, pallet shredding, electronic waste processing, and carton recycling. We provide multiple models to meet different capacity requirements, and various feeding and discharge sizes are available to match your specific material and production needs. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient shredding solution, our double shaft shredder is the ideal choice for your recycling operation.